What are you knitting? Oh, yeah, I can't wait for
I'm
that
knitting
to be
something
done.
new, a new project, a new design.
Yeah, the
Um,
diamonds.
yeah, in our fairly new milkshake sport, which was you're
That's
working
what
with
I'm knitting
milkshake
with it
sport
too.
too. So you're just working with a different color of the same yarn.
Yeah.
So this yarn was a barn box yarn earlier this year, I think in March, right?
Right, in March.
And everybody loved it. It's mostly East Frisian milk sheep wool that is colored with alpaca. So Barb's is the peanut butter shade, which is a warm, toasty brown. And then this is a new shade. It's like a steel gray.
We're going to call it soda fountain.
Because the stainless steel color.
Stainless steel.
I always feel like yours feels softer than mine, but when you touch,
I was looking at it thinking mine looked poofier, but not really.
You just knit differently than I do, I think.
Yeah.
Anyway, Barn Box is so cool because it's showed us, even us, so many new things.
I've learned a lot.
Like we've done so many yarns at Barn Box that Barb and I never even touched until 2 weeks before Barn Box gets shipped.
Yeah.
Sometimes it does come in right before, but we've been exposed to so many cool new fibers that.
Well, wait till you see what we found for this year.
I know. So Barn Box is our subscription program. You sign up for an every other month shipment of a unique, undyed, as natural as it gets, or as real as it gets, really. Yarn that is always something that's off the beaten track. So most of the time we do domestic fibers. Our permanent yarn lines really do focus on domestic fibers. We have very, very few items with fiber from out of the country. But with Barn Box, we have a little bit of wiggle room to bring in very interesting fibers that will be of super high interest to our members from other places. And for 2024, we have been offered so many cool fibers.
Really cool.
More than we really need.
Some I've never even heard of. Like that's a sheep.
Exactly. So it's caused us to Google ourselves into a wool lather.
Right.
Okay. Okay. Before we go down that rabbit hole.
Yeah. Right.
Of yarn porn. Let me just say that it is really about yarn porn this year.
Exactly.
It's all fibers that are new to us. We are super excited. We have been offered more fibers than we have slots for in Barn Box. So probably some of them will find their way into a mystery knit along, or maybe roll over into 2025. We don't know yet, but. Right. There's a lot to explore this coming year in Barn Box. So if you're not signed up yet,
this is the year.
This is the year, and we have. I mean, the colors. Oh my God! Just we're very pumped.
I'm even swatch knitting, and I don't like to do swatches, but I took yarn home to actually swatch with it.
Right.
Because some of them are really unique.
And if you want to know more about Barn Box, you can find information on our website. But basically, you get a cool new yarn every 2 months with a free pattern and usually a goodie and lots of other perks like early access to special products and discounts on extra skeins. And
chit chat with Anne.
Yeah, we have a wool school chat with every shipment that runs about 2 hours. It's a lecture and a question answer opportunity to talk about the fiber in Barn Box, and it's incredibly educational, informative, and interesting. And if you don't believe me, you can ask our Barn Box members on Ravelry in our Knitspot group or in our Barn Box group. You can go there to find out firsthand information from people who enjoy Barn Box. I designed a brand new item for the Barn Box yarn, and this holiday Barn Box is no exception. We'll have a brand new pattern. It's super cool, but super secret right now, and it will take full advantage of the beautiful yarn in our holiday Barn Box. So if you're sitting on the fence, this is a good way to access all the perks and experience of getting Barn Box. And then if you know a knitter who might like Barn Box, don't we have a 3-month subscription? Yeah.
3 months.
A 3-month subscription available now that you can purchase. It's all paid in advance, so that person will get 3 months of Barn Box, and then if they want to continue, they can. Or I'm sorry, 3 installments of Barn Box.
Because they're
every other month. So it's the gift that will last until Christmas in July. So anyway, great Barn Box coming up in 2024. Be there or be square.
You'll like it.